people, it's all of Texas again. Today I'm gonna be grilling. I'm gonna be showing you how I make my ribs when it comes to the whole marination process from marinating it. I plan doing it in a few hours, so I prefer doing that way all my ingredients soak into it. So for marinating to put it on the grill and all the necessary steps we need to go through. So once again, I want to appreciate all you the guys towards the channel, and let's just go to the kitchen and I'll see you in a bit. The first thing I want to do is I want to put my board here. See that board right there? And once you're done with the board, just clean it down. All right, clean it down. And next thing I want to do is put my ribs right here. Put my ribs on the board. There's one thing you usually do first. Before you take it, you want to take out the membrane. And the best way to take it is right here. You see the edge right here? Edge right here. You take out, go into the edge a little bit. It's more like on the back. And the main reason why I do this, I take the membrane out, is so when I marinate my ribs, my spices get into the ribs, and it's literally just get the ribs tender, if that makes sense. So what I'm trying to do right now is the back of the ribs, I'm gonna take out the membrane. You see right there? You see that guy right there? You want to take this part out. It's very, very crucial you take it out. You see that guy right there? It's very, very crucial you take this part out. So once you take it out right now, for the back you should be good for the parts. So after taking the membrane out, the next thing we want to do. So you see this extra white stuff. That's a little bit fast. So we want to try to as much as possible to reduce the fats we have right here. Let me show you the other side also. The other side, you see all this part. We're going to try to at least reduce it before we marinate it. This is fat also, you see that? That's a chunk of fat right there. And my goal is, one thing is you can't remove everything, but any amount you can take out, just try to take it out. Now that we're done with that part, the next thing I want to do is marinating, if that makes sense. We're about to marinate special spice right here. And I use my yellow mustard right here. You see the yellow mustard? You can always get this from anywhere. You can, depending on how you want your ribs to taste, the two special ingredients I'm going to use for marination is going to be these two right here. Let's watch it. When marinating, the best thing I try to do is I usually try my best to start from the back. The back is easy breezy, you know what I mean? And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my, my mustard cream. You see that guy right there? Yeah, put that guy first. And you don't really need to apply a lot of it. The only place I try to concentrate on is, I try to concentrate on the back, the front, if that makes sense. So, see that guy right there? Just easy breezy, sprinkle it. Now that we've done that, next thing you want to do is you want to rub it. See that guy right there? Rub it. In the same manner, the same product, the same process, the same thing we did right here, that we did we're gonna do it right back to the front, if that makes sense. So same thing. So once you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is sprinkle your sauce in it. Right there, and rub it. Don't forget, rub it. Rub it. You're a great cook. Let me know how you do. Let me know how you make your ribs. Let me know how you make your ribs in the comment section. And we'll literally go from there. So right now I'm done with this guy. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let it marinate, if that makes sense. It sits inside of it. And let it marinate for 8 hours. That is it right there. Put it in the bowl. I'll leave it there for good 8 hours. 8 hours straight. And the main reason why I want my meat to marinate real good. That way, when I put it on the grill and take it out, it's gonna look more tender, if that makes sense. So thanks, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Temperature right now, the temperature is still currently 200. I want that guy to eat like 300. Once he eats 300, I think we should be good. Okay, so this is where we have to like put right there. That's what right, that's what we need. You remember yesterday while we did marinate it? So right there, we did marinate it yesterday. The same guy, I'm gonna put it straight on the grill. Straight back to the grill. Yeah, this is what we're talking about. That guy right there. That's how we do it. Leave it right there. I'll let it just do its thing. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. Really good. See that part right there? So what we're gonna do right there is, let me get my spoon real fast, because it's probably gonna be a scoop. There's that. The one thing I'm gonna do first is like, spray this guy real fast. Don't play. Spray real fast. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my views right here. Trust me, that guy is still tender. That guy is not gonna dry. See that guy right there? It's still so dry. See, it's still on point. It's still juicy. I put it on the grill like few minutes ago. So don't forget, that's butter right there. The butter right there, right? Apart from the butter, we're gonna do something real fast. We have our butter already in place. The next thing we want to do is want to add our barbecue sauce to it. Right there. Now one more thing I need to do. I'm done with this guy. Okay, when we get on that part, so this is where we have to wrap it. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, it looks like a train. That's how it should be. If it doesn't look like a train, like as you want it to be, if it doesn't look like a train, right there. Okay. That's a beach right there. Something. What? Yeah, that's how you know it's right there. Yeah.
America. You ain't going
Right? See, this is how you know it's. This is how you know. You see right there? Chee! That's how you know it's right there. The bones dripping out.
The export is thanks for that business. I can take care of it.
Bones dripping out.
Every time